Welcome, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today as we begin our 3-part strengthening series. So for those of you that have been asking for more advanced practices, this is going to be your series. So we are going to be doing some strength building exercises in the next 3 videos. And today we are focused on core strength. This is my Ab Blaster 2019, just for your core workout pleasure. All right, so go ahead and like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and we will get ready to blast those abs. Once you're ready, we're gonna come on down onto your back. You can hug your knees into your chest, just taking these moments to feel into your body, deepen into your breathing, and just allow yourself to really drop in here. Releasing any distractions or any concerns, and allowing yourself to truly come into this moment where you are gonna spend the next few minutes just really taking care of your body, working hard, building your inner fire and your inner strength. So get yourself in the right headspace as we prepare to work and build strength into your core. Now you can bring your hands back behind your head, and we're going to start with a traditional bicycle stretch. So we're going to start by extending your left heel, bend into your right knee, twist it over to the right side, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Now we'll pause and hover here for a moment, squeeze into your core, and hug your belly button down towards your spine. Nice tight squeeze. Then we'll alternate, extending the right leg out, twist your right elbow to your left knee, pause and hover as you tone through your core actively. And now we're going to move into alternating rhythm, going back and forth. We're going to move for a total of 20, which is 10 on both sides. So here we are at 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can take a break here if you need, or you can keep going and work up to it. This is 14, 15, 16. We've got 3 more rounds to go. You've got this. Last cycle here, right and left. Hug your knees in, let your belly relax. And that's a nice warm up to start feeling the burn. This is Ab Blaster, so we are serious about our core work today. So let your body have this moment to rest, and we're gonna jump right back in. Go ahead and rock yourself up into a seat. You're gonna lift your feet away from the floor, and you can hug your hands close together in front of your heart. Now from here, we're going to extend it back and squeeze everything into the center. So reach into a low boat and squeeze it up tight. Low boat, squeeze. So we're doing a total of 10 here, and that's 4, right? So now we're halfway through with 5. Keep working into your core, squeeze and pull. Feel that burn and find your yes. 2 more here, squeeze. Last one, reach. Now you can wrap your arms around your legs, hug your knees into your chest, and just let your belly relax. Take some deep breaths here. Feeling your body slowing down. Let your tummy release. Then we'll go ahead and come right back down onto your back. Extend your legs straight up towards the sky. Then we're going to bring your hands behind your head again. Curl your head and shoulders up off of your mat. And now we're moving into scissor kicks. Left leg down, right leg down. So we're alternating here, back and forth with a nice steady pace, moving for a total cycle of 10. So that is going to be 20 kicks, 10 on each side. So this is 7, 8, 9, 10. You can always take a break halfway through and come back in. We're going to keep carrying on for 5 more cycles. 3, 2, last one. Hug it in. Let your belly relax. Feeling your power, feeling your strength. If you're starting to get tired, take a break. If you need to stretch your abs, you can bring your feet flat down, lift your hips up, and let your tummy elongate, feeling a stretch across those abs that are working so hard. We've got a couple more exercises to go before we wrap up our ab blaster, so stay with me, hang in there. From here, we're going to work into the obliques. So we're going to start to do some twisting to really tone that side waist. We want to work those love handles. So you can, again, bring your hands, light fists together in front of your heart. Curl your head and shoulders up off of the floor. Then you can extend your legs long, and we're going to squeeze elbows to the right, knees to the left. So you have a little side crunch here. We're going to do that a total of 10 times to one side. So reach it out. We'll repeat the same side, getting that nice repetitive action, really working the obliques as you squeeze. So even as you bring your elbows to the right, see if you can actively reach your knees to the left. So you're getting that full oblique action as you twist. We'll do 3 more here. 3, 2, and 1. Now, if you're feeling like powerhouse, just go immediately into the second side. If you need a little break, a little rest in between, take your break. It's all good. Honor your body and honor the process, because this is hard work that we're doing today. So be compassionate and gentle with yourself, and just be proud of yourself for your effort. Now, if you're ready to jump onto that second side, you can jump in and do it with me. So light fists in the air, curl your head and shoulders away from the floor. We're going to extend and reach it long. And now we go elbows to the left, knees to the right. Stretch it out and twist. Here we go. Burning that fat, burning calories, building strength and stamina, warming into our solar plexus, our inner fire, finding more willpower, more motivation, and 2 more on this side. Last 1. And squeeze your knees into your chest. Let your belly relax. Feeling that warmth, that heat, that power that you've generated. Feeling strong in yourself and confident and capable in what you can accomplish. Now, before we call it a day, we're going to flip over onto your tummy. So you can come all the way up and over. And we are going to do a little work on our forearms. So bring your elbows down to the floor, just about shoulder width apart, and interlace your hands in front of you. Now you really want to anchor your forearms down into your mat, then step your feet back into a plank pose. Now this is already some substantial core work, especially if you start to lift your belly button in towards your spine and resist the pull of gravity. So we start to build strength through the core just by default. But we're going to take it one step further. You know me, we got to work hard, you got to earn it. So we're going to lift that right leg, draw your knee to your right tricep, extend it back, and right down the middle, squeeze. Reach that right foot back, and this time we go across to the left tricep. So that's our sequence. To the right tricep, back. Right down the middle, and back. Over to the left, and kick it back. Again, over to the right, and back. Straight down the middle, and stretch. Over to the left, and kick. We'll go one more cycle. Right, middle, and left. Squeeze. Step that right foot back. Lift your hips high. You can walk your feet in a little bit for a nice dolphin pose here, allowing yourself to really stretch into your shoulders and your chest, and even start to work and stretch into the backs of your legs. Even though this is ab blaster, we can still consider the body as a whole and honor every part. So just let your shoulders and chest stretch as we prepare to move on to the second side. So as you're ready, look your gaze forward towards your hands. Shift your shoulders forward, coming to your forearm plank. And then we start by lifting that left leg high and squeeze it into the left tricep and back. Squeeze it right down the middle and kick it back. Squeeze it to the right and back. That's one cycle. Starting again to the left, down the middle, and to the right. Squeeze. 3 more rounds. Left, middle, right. Hang in there. You've got 2 more cycles. If you're getting tired, feel the burn. Go into it. Find your yes. Work your way through it. Last cycle here. Right down the middle and over to the right. Squeeze it in. Then you can step that left foot back. Lift your hips and take your dolphin pose one more time here. Stretch your chest and shoulders. Stretch the backs of your legs. Let your belly soften. Then we'll come right down onto your knees. Let your hips drape down over your heels and soften into a child's pose. Take 3 to 5 full, deep, slow breaths right here in your child's pose. Allow your body to soften. Allow your breathing to slow down. Slowly gathering your energy back into yourself, feeling the warmth, the heat, the fire that you've generated within. As you feel ready, you can walk your hands in towards your knees and press yourself all the way up to kneeling. Thank you so much for joining me in this practice today. It sure helped me get through it, knowing that you are practicing along with me. So thanks for the support and the encouragement. I hope that you are feeling strong and powerful today. And if you didn't quite make it through all of the exercises, don't get too down on yourself. Just keep coming back and practicing more and more, and set this as your goal so you can see how far you've come when you're able to blast through all of these powerful core exercises. Please visit my website, jenhilman.com, so you can learn all about more workshops and retreat opportunities and schedule your own personalized consultation with me. And if you're looking for more videos, check out the jenhilmancommunity.bhx.tv for tons more videos to help you grow your practice. We'll see you next time. Namaste.